Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's George and today's video is going to be a quick and easy nail art video. So if you want to see how to do some quick easy nail art, then please keep watching. Right, so first things first, just a little bit of a disclaimer with my nail art history. So when I was like 14, no, I've got to be younger than that, like between the ages I'd say of like 10 to 14, I was obsessed with nail varnish. Like I used to paint my nails basically almost every other day. I used to do like loads of quick, easy, fun designs, and I used to watch so many YouTube videos on how to do nail art. I mean, like even if you scroll back to the very start of my Instagram, there are pictures of nail art then. So I think at some point in my life I was actually quite good at nail art. Like, I was quite creative, like quite liked what I was doing. So I'm now 22, so it's been 8 years since I've done nail art. But I just thought whilst we're all self-isolating, it might be fun to have some activities which aren't sort of binge watching Netflix or watching TV, that could actually sort of relax you for a bit. Because I find nail painting, whatever, quite a relaxing therapeutic thing to do. And I just thought it could be something quite entertaining to do if you've got nothing to do and it takes your eyes away from screens for a bit. Although you're probably watching me on a screen, so I don't really know if that works, but you know what I'm trying to say. So that is just a quick disclaimer. I used to love doing nail art and I think I was quite good at it at a point, but I haven't done it in 8 years. So I'm probably actually really bad at it now. I don't know, I don't really remember. But we're gonna give this a go and just see how this video goes. And if it's a disaster, then at least it's entertaining. I don't know. But yeah, let's get started. Okay, so for this video, the first things that you're gonna need is some tin foil to do like some mixing, not even mixing, but just like putting the nail varnish on the tin foil. So you're gonna need 2 colours, whatever colours you want. I've got the 60-second, oh my god, look at that fake tan. I've got the 60-second Rimmel London colours in white and purple. So I actually know what the names are. So I've got these in the colour 703 White Hot Love and then also 558 Go Wilderness. So these are the 2 colours I'll be using. It's just a lavender and a white colour. Any nail varnish for this video will really work. And then you need a base coat and a top coat. So again, doesn't really matter what this is. This is an Avon Gold Expert Strengthener. Yeah, Gold Strengthener. And then for this, horrible noise, apologies. And then this is a Leighton Denny Crystal Finish top coat. So they're for the nail varnishes, and then this is a dotting tool. So for those of you who don't really follow nail art, this is what it is. It's just like a little stick with a dotting thing at the end. So I had loads of these from when I did nail art, but if you don't have one, it's fine. You can use either an end of a makeup brush or a bobby pin, hairpin clip thing. So these are the essentials of what you need. And also it's always good to have like Netflix or something playing in the background just to keep you a bit entertained whilst you're working. I'm gonna go ahead and tie my hair up and then we'll get started. So first of all, I just want to apologise, my hands are very fake tanned, so they don't look great, but I have got all my natural nails at the moment. I'm having a bit of a break from acrylics, and so this is how we're gonna get started. First of all, we're gonna take the Avon Gold Strength base coat and just paint all my nails with this base coat. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint my thumb and forefinger a different colour to the other fingers. So just paint your nails how you normally would. Okay, so these are finished nails, and then we'll go ahead and start doing a design on them, but just make sure to repeat on your other hand before we get started. Okay, so once all your nails are painted, take the colour that's opposite to these nails and just dab a bit on your tin foil. So like that. Just dab a blob on there. And then the tin foil means it like won't get soaked up or anything, which is ideal. And then what you want to do is you want to dip in your tool, whether it's a bobby pin or a dotting tool or whatever you're using, just dot it in, and if you want you can practice. And then yeah, go from there. Okay, so for this, in order to create like this cow print sort of style, just dip in your tool to whatever, and then just sort of add some blobs, and then pull your tool around just to create like a bit of a cow print kind of vibe on your nails. And then I think I don't know, I think this looks quite cute. Cow print's quite in. Okay, as you can see, I've done 2 nails already to create a sort of like cow print kind of vibe. I'll do a close up at some point when my camera decides to focus, but I'll show you on my pinky how to do it. So what you do is you take your dotting tool into the purple that you put in, or whatever colour, and then you get your nail and you do a dot, dip back in, and then sort of like just drag it about really, and play with the positioning of where you want to put it and how it looks. And then yeah, it sort of looks a bit like a cow print just carrying on your nails. I just think this looks quite cute, you know. These are the nails. They're starting to look quite cow printy. Like, as you can see, like not much really goes into them. You can kind of make them look however you want. So now I'm just going to repeat the pattern with the purple nails and put the white on the purple, and then basically complete that on the other hand as well, and then you should be done. But yeah, these are super quick and easy to do. Apologies about the fake tan hands, they're not looking great, but yeah, I will carry on doing it and show you the results once I'm done. So this is the first hand done. As you can see, like cow print, super easy to do. Kind of reminded me of the Milka chocolate bar, but like not much thought into it, but just a bit more fun than a plain nail. Yeah, I actually really like how these turned out. I just think they're quite fun, and also whilst we're at home self-isolating and all that stuff, it's quite fun just to do something which is a bit different than watching TV. So if you literally have 2 different kind of nail varnishes and something you can make dots from, this is all you need to create this. But yeah, feeling very Milka chocolate vibes, but I actually really like these nails, guys. Now, doing the other hand can sometimes be a bit difficult, especially if you're not good at using your left hand. As I said, I used to do this quite a lot when I was younger, so hopefully I will be able to use both my hands again, but I will go off camera, do this hand, and then I'll come back and show you the finished results. So these are the finished nails. As you can see, trying to be like cow print and a bit like the Milka chocolate bar logo, but yeah, I think they were so easy to make. And yeah, so the next step is just applying a top coat and letting them dry. So these are the finished nails. Once you finish doing the dotting tool stuff, then make sure just to apply your top coat just to make them last a bit longer than perhaps they would. But I like them. I think they're quite fun. The colours are quite spring, so a bit bright, and also it's just fun to do some stuff other than watch TV whilst you're in the house all day. So maybe I'll do some more nail art tutorials. Maybe this will be a new thing, and then if you guys have any suggestions or things that you want to see, then you can just let me know. But I'm just trying to do things that are a bit more creative, a bit less haul based, just so that it gives you stuff to do at home, I guess, is kind of where I'm coming from all of this. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this, something slightly different for me. But if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching, see you next time.